Located in Metairie, part of the Greater New Orleans area, Lakeside Mall is the region's largest shopping center with thousands of visitors daily. This project replaced 177 pole-mounted 1,000-watt HPS fixtures with 300-watt LED floodlights from Westgate Manufacturing. The selected model, Westgate's LFX-XL Series, is DLC qualified, supports 480 volts, and engineered for high-output, low-maintenance outdoor use. This retrofit saves over 550,000 kilowatt-hours annually. The LEDs also enhance uniformity and color rendering, creating a safer, more welcoming environment. The LFX series also withstands New Orleans' heat, humidity, and coastal air, ensuring lasting quality where reliability matters most. Bring your next project to life with Westgate. Visit westgatemfg.com and click the Design tab to get started. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.